Today is a complicated day full of divergent signals, but one thing is certain: the main stocks in the market are trading near their inflection points. If we were to see a bullish reaction, the timing is just perfect. So, will the market resume its upward momentum? What if it doesn't? Let's talk about it in this video. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, professional trader, founder of the 5% project on Telegram. So join our Telegram channel for swing trade signals and strategies. Outperform literally 95% of traders and professionalize your strategy with us. By joining us over here, you get 7 days for free, because we are absolutely certain that with a little discipline, you can boost your performance with us. So just check out our website right now. The link is in the description of this video. Now, as we can see here, there are many mixed signals. We see SPY going up. It is not going up a lot, right? It is a bullish reaction, but we are not making a new all-time high yet, all right? We failed to break yesterday's high. However, we failed to break yesterday's low as well, so it is not a crystal clear top signal. Meanwhile, we see QQQ dropping, making a bearish reaction today. We have yet to break this high over here, this resistance level at $503.28, which was this bearish candlestick patterns high over here. However, on the other hand, we couldn't miss its low as well at $490.73. So only by breaking one of these two red lines, we're gonna see a very nice, interesting reaction materialized. As long as we don't, we're gonna keep trading inside this short-term congestion. What's more, today we see the Dow Jones index exploding over here, making a white Marubozu a very strong bullish reaction far from its support levels, suggesting that the trend is still insanely bullish over here. In addition, it is making a new record high today, unlike SPY, unlike the QQQ. So see, there are many mixed signals among the indices over here, but as I told you guys, our stocks are trading around very important support levels. For instance, Microsoft, it is losing its 21 EMA, the exponential moving average on the daily chart. However, if you ask me, there is still time for a reaction. What's the problem? The problem is that we have earnings season in 1 week over here. So many stocks among the Magnificent Seven will report their earnings, and this will certainly increase the volatility. So right now, if we're gonna see these stocks reacting, the timing is just perfect. Apple, unlike most of the Magnificent Seven stocks over here, Apple is far away from its support levels. So if we see a top signal getting triggered around this level over here near the all-time high, well, let's not panic if we see a pullback to its 21 EMA on the daily chart again. Nvidia is around its 21 EMA on the daily chart right now. At this moment, we don't see any meaningful bullish reaction, but if we see one, great. I do believe that we gotta see a bullish reaction as soon as possible, preferably closing above the $128 again, which was this previous top level over here, which did act as a support level 1, 2, 3 times right now, and that today we are losing the support level, but we are maintaining the price above the 21 EMA. So there is still time to react. There is still a chance that Nvidia is going to make a bullish reaction over here. Nathan, what if we don't? What if Nvidia loses this 21 EMA on the daily chart? Then $118.04. That's going to be our next technical support level. Google is struggling a lot around its own 21 EMA over here as well. We see a trend line supporting the bullish thesis, but guys, if we lose this 21 EMA, if we lose this purple trend line, Google will change the midterm trend. It is going to reverse the bullish bias over here, and it is going to turn bearish. Just like Microsoft, it is going to report earnings in 7 days. So let's be extremely careful around this area. Amazon, just like Microsoft, just like Google, just like Nvidia, it is also struggling around the 21 EMA. So see, many stocks over here are trading near their main inflection point. Only by losing the 21 EMA, I see Amazon triggering a sharper correction. It is going to report earnings in 9 days over here, so let's watch out. By losing this 21 EMA, Amazon has another support level at $189, but I'm very skeptical about this support level, alright? So let's watch this moving average very, very closely over here. Any bullish reaction might justify a bullish signal, a bottom signal, and possibly a buy signal in this area. Now, Meta, just like Microsoft, is losing its 21 EMA. However, it is slightly more bearish because we have been trading consistently below the 21 EMA on the daily chart. Its next technical support level is $482.50. We don't see so far. There is not a single bottom signal suggesting a bullish reaction or a buy signal around this area. Today, we see just another bearish candlestick pattern, but if we see a bullish reaction, I believe that Meta could be a very nice buy, especially because we are 15 days before earnings, alright? So there is plenty of time for it to make a very nice bullish reaction without earnings volatility mess with its technicals, alright? Now, Tesla, on the other hand, unlike many stocks over here, Tesla looks like Apple over here in this scenario, is above the 21 EMA, clearly above, it is clearly bullish. However, unlike Apple, we have this major resistance level at $265.13, which is a very important resistance level. Only by breaking this key point, Tesla will have a decent chance of exploding, of retesting higher levels, possibly closing this gap over here at $289. This is a crystal clear target for this bullish thesis, but we gotta break 265 first. Now, Nathan, do you see a top signal on Tesla? No, there is not a single top signal. Yes, yesterday we made this bearish candlestick pattern, which is a shooting star candlestick pattern, which is a quite reliable bearish candlestick pattern, reversing the trend, 79% of the time according to Bukowski studies. I don't remember correctly. Just look at Bukowski's website, thepatternsight.com, for more statistics regarding candlestick and chart patterns. Right now, I don't remember this correctly, but I think it is 79. I could be totally wrong, by the way, so please feel free to correct me in the comment area below. Now, it is a shooting star candlestick pattern. However, this shooting star wasn't triggered yet. Therefore, there is no top signal yet. Even if we see a top signal, the 21 EMA on the daily chart is supposed to act as a support level for us over here. So far, there is no reason to panic on Tesla. The problem is that it is going to report earnings in 7 days as well, so the volatility will increase a lot. So brace yourselves over here, but right now, I don't see any major reason to concern. Yes, we are not breaking the 265, but we are not triggering any top signal yet. And even if we do, there are many support levels in this chart over here. So far, I see not a single particular reason to worry about Tesla. However, I do believe that if we trigger a top signal, there would be a very nice downside potential that could justify a short over here. So right now, we should watch very closely these support and resistance levels. Meanwhile, we see AMD triggering a sharper correction on the daily chart. This is what I see. If Tesla is about to trigger a sharper correction, this is what I see Tesla doing, right? I see Tesla losing momentum under a clear resistance level, just like AMD is doing under the $187.24, all right? Triggering a correction to the 21 EMA on the daily chart, and this is it. All right, any bullish reaction above its 21 EMA could be just another buying opportunity, period. We don't see any meaningful bullish reaction right now, so we should just wait. wait to see more clues on AMD, which is unlike Palantir, which is making a very strong bullish reaction today above the $27.50, which is the most important key point over here, right? It was a previous resistance level, a previous top level, and it has been acting as a quite reliable support level over here this month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times right now. It is a very important support level. Palantir won't turn bearish unless if we lose the $27.50. As long as we stay above this key point, the bullish bias will just persist. Nathan, what's Palantir's next technical target? Well, we do see a quite annoying resistance level at 29.29, the previous top level from September 2021. But in theory, if we break this resistance level, we could retest the all-time high next. All right, there are no other meaningful resistance levels other than the 29.29. So $45 would be Palantir's next technical target, long-term speaking, of course. Since we are around this resistance level on the weekly chart, I'm not gonna discard a possible pullback, a possible correction over here. But as long as we stay above the 27.50, no bearish reaction will truly materialize. All right, the situation seems to be under control over here, and of course I'm gonna keep you guys updated in this channel every single day. Therefore, consider subscribing, click the like button to support me as well, and join the 5% project group on our Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.